Amid reports of attacks on foreign students by locals in Kyrgyzstan's capital Bishkek, parents of students from India have urged the central government to ensure their safe return home. As many as 15,000 Indian students are currently studying in Kyrgyzstan, most of them pursuing a medical degree. Alka Solanki, whose son Raj is a medical student in Bishkek, voiced concern for his safety in the Central Asian country.
पर वहाँ पर अभी 2 दिन से हुए आतंकी हमलों से काफ़ी डरा हुआ भी है वो, और यहाँ पे मैं भी काफ़ी डरी हुई हूँ इस मैटर को लेके, क्योंकि वो MBBS के लिए कुछ सपने लेके गया था। वो मेरे भी कुछ सपने थे कि मेरा बेटा, लेकिन अभी बहुत एकदम डरा सा लग रहा है सब कुछ। तो मैं बस यही चाहती हूँ कि सुरक्षित मेरा बेटा मेरे घर आ जाए, और जो भी गए हैं MBBS करने के लिए वहाँ पर, वो सारे सुरक्षित आ जाएँ अपने घर।
On May 18th, the Indian government had asked all Indian students in Bishkek to stay indoors after fights were reported between some locals and foreigners.
लेकिन जो बिश्केक का माहौल है उससे वो बहुत डरे सहमे हैं सारे बच्चे वहाँ पे, और मेरे बेटे से मेरी बात बराबर हो रही है, लेकिन फिर भी हम लोगों को एक सुरक्षात्मक दृष्टि रखते हुए बस यही अनुरोध है मेरे को गवर्नमेंट से कि बस वो हम लोगों की हेल्प करे और हमारे बच्चों को सुरक्षा प्रदान करते हुए यहाँ पर लेकर आए।
Another student's father claimed there was a fight between locals and some Egyptian students over an eve-teasing incident, following which locals started attacking foreign students.
हमारी मांग ये सरकार से कि भाई प्रधानमंत्री जी और हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी मोहन यादव जी से मांग है कि हमारे बच्चे वहाँ से सुरक्षित आ जाए, और भाई यही चाहते हैं उनके साथ कोई अनहोनी घटना नहीं घटे, इसलिए घबराए हुए हैं।
Meanwhile, the Andhra Pradesh Non-Resident Telugu Society has given an assurance regarding the safety of Indian students in Kyrgyzstan, particularly those from the state.
We heard a few days ago there was some incident between the locals in Kyrgyzstan, the area where the medical colleges are there. There it seems about 21 medical colleges in the capital area where a lot of foreign students are studying, especially Indian students. I hear there are about 15,000 Indian students, of which Telugu-speaking students are about 5,000. And same way Pakistani students are there, Egyptian students are there, and there was an issue between the Egyptian students and the locals there.
Medapati confirms that although some Egyptian and Pakistani students have been injured, no Indian students have been harmed.
So we've been in touch with our Telugu students, some of the Telugu students over the last 2-3 days. And so far what we heard is our students are asked to stay indoors in their hostels, and that's what they're doing. They're, nobody got hurt or nothing happened to our students so far. But we've been in touch with them on a continuous basis, and we are, writing to embassy also to ensure that their safety is taken care, and if necessary, our students should be evacuated and brought back.
Earlier, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar had advised Indian students to stay in regular touch with the Indian Embassy. The Indian Embassy in Kyrgyzstan said it is in touch with the Indian students and the situation is calm now.